pasture. Get back in the pasture. Get back in the pasture. Get back in the pasture. Go, go, go. Oh, man. Dora, get back to the pasture. Your friends are calling you. Get. Go stand out in the alleyway so you'll go in. Keep the door open and come out. Come out, hurry up. Don't let her pass you. Randy, be quiet. We're putting hay out. Hey, girl. Watch out! We're getting it, we're getting it. Excuse me. You're supposed to wait. You're supposed to wait till we put it up. Get. Eat up. Go get some, Dora. Go get some. Fresh hay.